Good Sunday morning. We have finally reached the Jurassic Mile Changi Airport Park connector. After cycling all the way from Gardens by the Bay, yes, conquering the entire East Coast Park stretch. Awesome! Nobody here this morning. It's a Sunday morning. Empty. Come early if you want. No crowds. Woo! Cycling along the Dino Mile. Okay. Snippets from the Dino Mile. Quiet this morning. Sunday. Very cool. Just cycle to the end and cycle back and head back to Marina Bay Sands. That's how far we've come this morning from Marina Bay Sands. Beautiful Sunday, pretty quiet and very easy to ride. Dino Mile. Left side some compound golf course, and they kind of build dinosaurs for us to see. There, famous T-Rex. T-Rex, rah, rah, rah. Sorry about that. Gotta be carried away, you know, sometimes. Gotta learn to let loose a bit. Woo! Dinosaur egg! I think we're reaching the end soon, so we can turn back. Here, dinosaurs. Okay, so we head to the end. I'll end the video. Stay safe and healthy. Dino Mile. It's the famous one where everybody's rushing to take photo, and now is nobody. Yep. Also, don't need to fight with people. Go back T-Rex to take some photo of people. T-Rex, roar, 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 roar. Empty Jurassic Mile near Changi Airport on a Sunday morning. Brilliant time for come for a walk. Okay, we're gonna head back to Marina Bay Sands. Bye bye everybody. Yeah, it does look well like that.